Hello friends, today we will show a special composed puzzle. See the position on the board carefully. White has 3 pawn only which can be promoted. And black has whose army? 2 knight, 2 bishop, rook and this pawn can be promoted. So here your challenge is white to play and draw. If you accept this challenge, then pause this video here and try to solve it. If you want to see the answer, then continue with us. Now we are giving you the solution of this puzzle. Here, if white promote this pawn to queen, what will happen? H8 queen. Now white is threatening to push this pawn on G8 queen and mate. What to do? Here, black is bound to vacate the space for his king, so he played this pawn ahead F4. Making space for his king. If queen is promoted, white is gone. White is gone. Why? King will take shelter on f5. Now, if this queen is played on here, g7, threatening mate on e5, what to do? Black will respond qd5, saving this square. Now, if queen c3 is played, now e5 is played. A very good move. Now black has so many threats. He is threatening to take this pawn, also threatening to promote this pawn as a queen. What to do? If qc2 check is given, then pawn will go ahead e4, then let's say queen h7, then bishop cross g6, and now black has so many threats. He is taking this queen, this knight will come here on e6 and mate. What to do? This queen cannot leave this area because queen will go here f7 and mate. What to do? So here white plays a move, queen g8, then nd e6 sack, only move is queen cross knight, then knight sack, only move is king g8 and qd8 mate. We will take back. So promotion of this pawn to queen is negative for white. We will take back. This was the initial position. Now we will show the miracle. If white promote this pawn to bishop, what will happen then? Now threat is this pawn will go ahead and mate. What to do? Either to make space for his king or rook is here to remove this bishop. If black chooses rook h4, then it is not good for black. Let's say if rook is h4, then queen is promoted, bishop check, rook cross bishop, queen cross rook check, and here only move is king cross pawn, then qh7, only move is king cross queen and stalemate, and white is able to save his position and draw the game. Now we will take back and show last option. This was the position. Here white promote this pawn to bishop. Then this was bad for black. If black tries, let's say king on e5, and then what will happen? Then white can save only a brilliant move. What is that? Can you think? Here a special move. This pawn is promoted rook, and now white is saved. What to do? Here white gives check and he will save his king, let's say on d5, then pawn is moved, pawn is pushed on g7. Now whatever black moves, he has no move, stalemate, whatever black moves. So here game is drawn. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked the content of this video, then please comment and share with your friend. Hit the like button. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, Please subscribe our channel Gupta Chess 15. Thank you.